Hey Hunters, welcome to Moments with Mom Lamb. Please subscribe, comment, like and share this video. Thank you. Enjoy. Hey Hunters, welcome to my channel. If you're new, welcome. And if you're a regular degular, welcome back. So today I'm doing my hair. It's Sunday the 4th of December if I'm not mistaken. So I'm quickly gonna do my hair. I'm getting ready. Then I need to take this because I'm going to put on a wig. This is Stiffy, you know, from the pond with styling gel, and I had locked it with a hair dryer. So stiff and just direct. This is the baby I'm going to rock. So you fix a manch. Don't worry, because I'm not worried. Let me change locations. You guys ready? I'm at Xoxo. Bye belly beads. We are ready. Hi guys, welcome back to my vlog. If you're new, welcome. My name is Xoxo, and if you're a regular degular, welcome back. So I'm getting ready for church. We're going to church and the time is 8 o'clock. I am doing oh kids. I have a mirror here, so I'm looking over on the side and show my body. So I'm quickly going to dry this using it in and get dry. But at least if Sangila we kick over right. Yes guys, this is the same week I made a video about Leicester Dragon City. That was WeFix. You're gonna see, but I don't think it's Jerry Kells. That's not Jerry Kells or Brazilian Kells in Sakumbo. But look, it's giving ratatata. But must be until but just still I'm not fully pleased. But I found something. It brought back the curls. I found them back, the curls that were lost. And then guys, I know I look crazy, but y'all should trust the process. And I'm trusting it. I haven't worn it in like a month or two. So no matter when it has to fix it, I can never trust this week. Shame that is on period. Because honey, I am good for flames. Little Andizi. Little Livu, but little Angis. My son done. Oh yeah, the bed is making a lot of noise. I'm very cut some edges. I don't know if I need plug. Let me put a little. Hayi ngeze ngimtshela njalo akafuni ukuzwa. Ugeza ku wide open. See the magic. I'm gonna show you one side. This is the same mixture 11 on my previous vlog. It's water mixed with deep conditioner, the anti-jerk. If you want it half up and half down. Let me check. Got nothing inside here. Apparently, yeah. You see, oven. But maybe I'm using the wrong products. You think this spray is a sheen? This was the color about this. It requires this understand. Okay, see you later, guys. So, guys, we are here. Anti-conditioner. And cheeky. Hola, hola, la. Smells so great. With curls of my one scrunchy. Hey, how about that again there? I guess. Now, so if you want Amacals or the sweat glue killer steamer, spray some on to big glue. And then let's try. I haven't done the hands for it to be flat because last time it was bumpy here. And I didn't like when it dried out. So it's like when you bump on shit. Again, for that year. Maybe gel in season, but I guess again. So GRWM is a shame. It's not gonna look nice because I'm gonna erase closure. Oh, banky. This song has been on my mind for it's got to sit. Really cool, so long is it? I believe in I feel like Oscar didn't do much. I don't know. Tira has already made a name for himself, so I was that's my given jump. It goes banky. Nani. Because I think by now you get the jinx, so some bonus and nothing. I'm trying. This is what I'm eating. Anyway, I used to hate this bread. I could take it. Because I have my own way of doing makeup, so I'm not saying take notes. So No, I'm getting too much. I feel like my skin is already giving, but I'm not gonna put a lot of foundation. I'm using this Fit Me Maybelline in the shade 340. I'm gonna just focus it on problematic areas like lama spots, man. But it's not full coverage, but I'm used to it now. I'm just used to it. That's why I didn't even bother, because I am so used to being late. And when I was super early, because it's just around the corner. It's literally like 10 minutes away, 7 minutes. With that car, it's just under 2 minutes. I was watching unfollowed them before, but I believe it's don't drag your foundation. So create my streaks. Manje behlela khona. Sebeyabona esontweni manje. Kuseduze ngale ndlela. And I'm trying to rush because I don't want to be late. So at least I have 10 minutes. Let me just untie this. Abo manje bayangena egating. Honey, is it late or not? It is definitely late for the gods. Let me do the shebang. I'm using this contour palette by Scarlet Hill. It's an OG Indal. Very old. I wonder about cinema. Lapha. Kwenzeki nje because ngigeze early namhlanje guys. Noma nga early kanjani ngizoba late nje. Kodwa mawubheka ngaze ngihlale lokho ngiqedile ukugeza bengenza something. And akudlali guys, I always tell akudlali kule week guys. Ngicabanga akudlali ukuba i-beauty queen. Akudlali. And then I'm just going to take this shade. I don't know where I bought this palette. Can be my China numbers. This is a lot, so what's in Obaba? Cabs is chilling makeup. Some can I faggy blush. Nesho, guys, must send phone faggy makeup. Now, that was just a snipe fag. Then don't see doom. Okay. Anti cabs. Okay. Thank you, faggy lace to messenger. Try again. Guys, I'm having the lighting is like I'm going to say faggy blush and I fag. Sengihamba sengiyisidumbu sengempela. Sengihamba ngithusa abantu. Shumasho anti cabs. I'm gonna contour using this shade. It's warm enough. Yes. It's sun-kissed. Yeah, nice man. It's sun-kissed. You see, sengiqedile guys makeup engikho hectic. Angazi noma ngisethe nama under eyes futhi, but I feel like kuzocrease and right now it's looking fine. I feel like I don't need to do that. I think nje right kanje. Then I'm gonna add a bit of banana powder. Where is it? I'm gonna add this banana powder by Smudge, guys, to just correct here and clean up here. Angazi why I'm doing contour during the day, but ngifila ngathi isiyehle kakhulu yabo mase all over igcine ngasayenza into ekumele iyenze. I just used a bit, not much, just in 2 seconds. Now just a oil lapho, and we are done, guys, just like that. I think it's on. You see, I hope you have it again because I feel like excuse me. Oh guys, no, excuse me. I'm using this shade to contour my nose because I'm late and I don't want to keep on blending. I know it's not really gonna show, but yeah. Guys, I can't believe it's a pressure lot. I'm also gonna use ngizoyibona yini lapho ngihlezi ngiyifaka ngayibona. I feel like manje sengidime i-blush yami. I can't even see the blush ebengiyifakile, so I'm gonna go back kancane 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 kancane. Setting spray me. My lips are right kanje. I think Unote was giving Sanj. I'm feeling it. I don't have concealer, so I'm gonna use this as a concealer because it's in a lighter shade. And then this is a great 10 minutes makeup look. It's now pumobogela. Oh, what do you guys think? I'm gonna attack Fananga, guys, even though they go quick, but Fast and Furious. Masengithanda ukuvuselela this spot lana birthmark. Like it's very big, but I don't care, guys. You man lozo bese sondela kanje eduze wami. I say up close and personal. One thing about me, I do not care that much. I always forget this step. Let me not say I don't care about it. I always forget to put on mascara. And now so gonna cut out eat that here. Oh god. Yes guys, thank you, bye. Guys, I'm wearing this dress. 99 days and I thrifted it in Durban. It was 15 rand, 1.5, and the quality is amazing. The quality is amazing. It's not worth 15 rand. I can get thrift here. That's why it's so cheap. But guys, hey, so this cuts and thrift because you won't find a gems and things like that. Because this is a gem, guys. Hey, I go Len. You know, I think I go 800 to Zara. It screams grown. It screams mature lady. I've got my own place. Period. This is the outfit. If that's what I'm still not sure, guys. Bye. Decided to wear the shoes. Feeling the night go. This one's from Mr. Price. Yeah, these are the earrings in my fagila. I look so good. Got that, guys. Period. I'm out. I'm not feeling it is the weather. I am not gauging the weather. A queen air walker. A queen like me. And loud windows figure. I call lift. I'm going to take it.
Oh,
10 minutes makeup. Yeah, I wasn't pendulo sa sakin kayo. The time is, well, 12. 1 minute to 12. Am I yesterday's?
DJ Time!
Bago keta mamela mambisa